Hi, hello, good morning. Welcome to today's session. So, in the previous session, we were discussing about the role of middle class. The role of middle class. So, the most importantly, middle class people they, are a new group of people in 18th century European society emerged emerged and these people they carried different means measures in order to bring changes in social and economic order so that they can clearly focus on no group should be privileged by birth. And these middle class people they earned their wealth or they involved in variety of various works like trade, commerce, overseas trade, then manufacturing, woolen, silk textiles, and even professions like lawyers, administrative officers, and others. These set of people they got inspired by political thinkers in the same period. So these political thinkers they expressed, they inspired these middle class people through their uh, writings in books and newspapers. So after that, in today's session, let us discuss about one more topic from the chapter, that is outbreak of French Revolution. Outbreak of French Revolution. How did the French Revolution got its different spheres? So first reason, Louis XVI. Louis XVI, he is the king of France, belongs to Bourbon family. So he called an assembly of estates. Assembly of estates. Recall estates. That is three different group of people in European society. These are only called as estates. So a political body of which third estate that their representatives to pass proposal for new taxes. So clergy, then the third estate people, first estate people, and second estate people, noble, clergy, and other third group estate people. So all these three estate people are representatives belongs to third estate. So they called to attend a meeting or attend an assembly so that they can pass new proposal for collecting new taxes which are applicable to the people. Then first two estates sent 300 representatives each, clergy and noble. So they sent 300 different representatives from each estates, while third one has 600 representative who were more prosperous and educated comparing to first two estates. However, artisans, peasants, and women were denied or refused for the entry into the assembly. Then voting is estate general has been conducted as according to past principle of each state, that is one vote, but members of third estate demanded for each member to get one vote philosophy. So first estate and second estate they got their own right to vote, their own right in voting, and third estate people or people belong to third estate they are denied or they are refused in voting under certain conditions. So these third estate people, so they demanded for their own right to vote like the first and second estate people. Then due to rejection, what is rejected here, that is the demands placed by third estate people in getting their own right to vote. So this request or this proposal was mainly refused or rejected. So when it is going to rejected, so they walked out. All the people belong to third estate, they came out. They walked out from assembly in protest against what has happened to themselves. And they declared themselves a national assembly and drafted a constitution for France to make limited powers of monarch, which was led by Mirabeau, a noble, and Abbesse, a priest. So the proposal of third estate people got refused, and because of that they walked out from the assembly and they drafted their own constitution, and they made clear expression in their constitution stating that powers to monarch is limited, and all sort of these draft to the constitution, it was mainly led by a noble and a priest, Mirabeau and Abbasi. Then due to the power of revolt, so here revolt was taken in order to get equal right to vote. Law 16 finally recognized National Assembly and accepted Constitution. Due to this revolt made by third estate people in drafting their constitution, reducing the powers of monarch, and because of that National Assembly recognized and accepted the constitution to the France. Then Assembly passed a law abolishing feudal system of collecting the taxes, that is tithes, and the members of clergy were forced to give up their privileges. So this is most important change brought by the middle class people or the people belonging to third estate. So they passed new resolution, new law stating that abolition of feudal system and abolition of collecting the taxes, that is tithes, and most importantly the members of clergy who got their privileges by birth in collecting the taxes, they are forced to give up their privileges. So with this we will end today's session, and we will discuss about the other part of the chapter in tomorrow's session with the other concept from the chapter. So stay at home, stay safe.